I might not use them all, but the things I've got is sticky back sellotape. I've got one of the portable printers. I need to use my phone to print off the photos, so I will show you the photos I've printed off afterwards. The one that I've got only prints in black and white though. I've got loads of different colour paper, and that is what this is. So I've got sticker paper and then colourful paper, I think this one is. Yeah, that's colourful paper. And if I want to decorate, I've got all of these glitter glues. I do a lot of like crafts and that's why I've got all of this stuff. But if you don't have it all, the main things you need is one of these or like a printer to print off your vision board photo, and then just some pencils and things to colour in to make it stand out and make it look nice, so you feel inspired to do the things you put on it. And I've also got that and a purple one. Got some letters out just in case I want to do some letters as well, saying some words. I don't know yet. I know what photos I'm going to print, but I don't know, these are the other ones, how I'm going to lay it out. I've also got this paper that I can cut something out from it. I like that one. I've got some sticky back, sticky back notes. I forgot what these are called, but they're all different colours, so I can easily just stick them on and write something on it. These you don't really need, and I don't know if I am going to use them, but I've got some gems, and with that I've got, this is the box, here's the product. So it's like little sticky back tape, but in circles. It's actually quite cool. And then I've got brown paper or pastel paper. Really depends on what I fancy. I actually quite like the idea of that colour this year. I might go with that colour. And my last vision board I made, pretty much most of it came true, and it's crazy because I've had years of being like, I want to hit 1,000, I want to do this, I want to do that, and none of it came true. I'm not saying this is all down to making a vision board, but obviously seeing it does inspire you without even thinking it inspires you. And whether you believe it or not, I still don't know if I do or not, but you're kind of saying it in the universe and putting it on your wall or displaying it in your house and saying, I want these things, I would like these things, and I'm going to work hard for them. So let's make our vision board together. So now that I've printed loads, this looks like loads of photos, but it's just different shades of the same photo, kind of. We've got things like hitting 1,000 subscribers, 100,000 subscribers on YouTube plaque, and that is them ones. And then I've got one that is just says consistency. And then I've got like a photo of a book with a cup of tea in bed, because I really want, like, that photo reminds me of like self-care, like taking time for yourself. And then I was gonna do a fitness one of someone on Pinterest, but I thought I took this for a thumbnail for my vlog today, and it's myself, so it's motivation like that, knowing that that is me. I've done that 30-minute run. Sometimes you need to put your own photos and your own achievements on your vision boards to remind yourself you can do it. And then I've got this setup, so a Canon camera, and then it is a photo shoot, this photo, but just that image, it in my mind, it's just like, no, this is where I want to be. Not in a photo shoot, but like, I want like an Apple laptop, one day, hopefully a camera. Obviously, you don't need this type of stuff. I have been doing YouTube for 4 years, or coming up to 5 years, I think it's 4 or 5 years. And I've just been upgrading with my phone. Literally, this is my iPhone 12 I'm recording on. And then get better tripods that make it steadier. Probably not that steady right now because it's in my left hand. But hopefully you get my point. So the next part I'm doing takes a bit longer. So I will put the recording of me doing it while I'm talking about it before I do it. But what I did last time was get a photo of my TikTok, get a photo of my YouTube channel. So if you want to do it with Instagram or TikTok or YouTube, whatever, Twitter, whatever platform you want to grow on, or there is a number of subscribers or followers, what you do is take a screenshot of that YouTube channel or that Facebook or that Instagram and put it on Canva or whatever editing software you use to edit photos. And what I do is get the normal text and edit the amount of followers, subscribers I would like in a year. Now I did this vision board, I would say probably in the spring, like the start of spring. And by my birthday, well before my birthday, I hit 1,000, and by the time it was my birthday, I had around like, don't know when I hit 10,000 on TikTok, but I had around 5,000 before I put down on my vision board that I wanted to hit 10,000, and it hit. I'm at 11,000.8 right now. So that just shows you, I'm not saying if you make this, you're gonna get everything you want. No, that's not how it works. I generally do feel like there's a part of everyone who does these types of things that it makes you feel inspired without you even knowing. Now I've got this. This is my TikTok. Might be a bit ambitious, but my TikTok actually does grow quite, not fast anymore, but like I grow more frequently or quicker on TikTok than I do on YouTube. So my TikTok following and likes and everything like that is much higher than my YouTube because of that reason. I try and make this realistic but also ambitious. So I don't know if you can see that one. I think you can. I was just gonna go 1k, like 2k, 2,000. But because right now I'm at 1.12k, I wanted to try and like cover up the 0.12k. So that's why I put 1.50. But that's pretty much halfway to 3k. So after you've printed all your photos, it is time to get the piece of paper that you would like. Whether that's white, whether that's brown, whatever colour of paper you would like. I'm going to go with this blue. Now, by this point, you can literally design your vision board the way you want to. I know last time I put manifestation, I think it was, on the top. haven't done this in previous years, but it's a new thing for manifesting, or like all these like gems and manifesting things. I'm not into like the gems and that, but I am into knowing about manifesting and stuff like that. And one thing I've heard a lot about is people telling people on YouTube what their word of the year is. Instead of putting manifesting or vision board at the top, because I know it's my vision board, I'm gonna put consistency, because that is my word for this year. Whether that's in working out, whether that's in my job, whether that's in social media, word is just consistency. Whether that's cleaning my room, it doesn't mean my life has to be neat and organized all the time. I just need to be consistent with it. So right now my desk at the end of this is going to look a mess. I don't need to clean it the minute I finish, or I can do if I want, but also if I don't clean it tonight, I will clean it in the next 24 hours. Yes, I've not cleaned it straight away, but I'm keeping consistent with cleaning it and keeping it organised. That's not making me strict, being like I can't make a mess on my desk, but I just need to be consistent with cleaning it, or consistent with uploading, or consistent at work, like trying my hardest and working really hard, being consistent with that. That is why I've picked the word consistency. I'm not saying, I've said it so many times. So let's write it on the vision board. The year. I'm gonna do the rest and we will talk about vision board. It has took me about an hour and a half, or around an hour and a half to 2 hours to make this. It doesn't even look like a thing that would take that long, but I was just taking my time with it, and as you can see I've put like some words into workout, and then that's my hand with my workout, my Apple Watch on with how long I've worked out on, and then you can't really see it, but that's a 100,000 YouTube plaque, and then I've just wrote 1 day. My big goal, like my big goal for social media is to go on to the YouTube program this year. That is my big goal for social media this year. So that's kind of related, because I can't really do a YouTube program email or anything like that, I don't think. So that's why I've put like 1 day. I might put 2023 up there, but I know last year I started to make one before the end of the year, but I'm glad I waited till 2023, because it kind of made me think, okay, fresh start, how many followers, where am I with working out, what do I want to like manifest, pretty much. And then reading more. I am slowly getting into this. All of these things, well, obviously these two things definitely, but all of it together, I'm taking it slow, because even though my word is consistency, that doesn't mean I need to do everything at once. So yes, this is going on my wall. I will show you where it is going to go on in a second, but this stuff isn't going to happen overnight. Now, the two things that I have added is a photo of money, because who doesn't want money? You always need to manifest that. And then, like I said, that photo to me is like self-care, taking care of yourself. And then that can mean like reading more books, like mental health, being off the screen, reading a book. And then skincare and that. Now, I haven't put a skincare photo on because my skin is totally different to a normal person's skin, so I don't want to like put that image, because I know what I want in my mind. And then I put this photo for like, I might write it down below, but like boss woman vibes, like social media manager, boss woman, because I think we all know by now, if you followed me for a long time, that is my dream job, whether it's doing my own or whether it's helping a company, that is my dream. So I hope you enjoyed this vision board video. I've never done a full video about creating my vision board and talking about this. I really got into it last year, like reading manifesting books and reading manifesting books and just learning about it. And I am definitely not like Anastasia. I don't even know any other YouTubers or content creators who love manifestation. She also loves like crystals and that, and yes, I love the look of crystals and I think they are so beautiful, but I'm not really into the crystal side of it. But I do believe in this type of stuff. Now, I am leaving it on my desk for a bit because I've put some glitter glue thingy on it. That's what this bit is there. But I will show you where I'm going to put it. Now, you probably will know where I've put my last one if you've been watching me for quite a while. But let me show you. This is my desk here, and I'm going to be putting it up there. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you with a brand new vlog or video. And also, I've got my tripod back out, my expensive tripod. Bye!